Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. To get started, let's power it off. So I'm gonna select power off and wait for it to, well, obviously turn off. Once that has happened, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, both the keys at the same time. And you should see an Android logo in a second. There we go, at which point you can let go. From here you should be located in the recovery mode, so using volume keys to navigate you want to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, confirm it with power key and give it a second. And there we go, so it's saying that entering Fastboot mode. This is just gonna stay like this, it's not gonna actually proceed any further. So that is how you boot into Fastboot mode. And once you're done with this mode, you want to leave it. What you will have to do is hold power key and volume down. So let's do that right now, power key, volume down. And you basically want to keep holding it till, well, it disappears as it just did. Now this does actually turn off the device, so we need to hold power key in order to turn it back on. There we go. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.